What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Umsning kala lait thaw na ka jingjia ka sngewsih hadian bagi pulit jongari Bhoi kilala hakaban penduk pendam no ia bom IED improvised explosive device hakamit satjan khatway tarik risau. Uni ubom udai ubla shu no hapok kepala hakmat kepelau jong ka bank Meghalaya Rural Bank. Superintendent of Police Bhoi V Rathor ula ong bakila yo jingtip halor kani hakapor kamba nyausteng menmien badan kepala kabla shu no hakawe kepelau kabasuba jor badan kitiar pynbthei. Ka kenhun pulit marmar kila hiar syakani kajaka batlalap ya ketika pela hakmat jong Meghalaya Rural Bank. Hakajuk kepor lapha wan marmar ya kenhun ki pulit bom detection and disposal squad BDDS bat ka kenhun ki ksau K9 batlalap pentikna bagi de kitiar pynbthei. Kumta da kajing tebet jong kenhun ki bom squad lala ben penduk pendam no ya uni ubom. USP Rathor ula ong bau uni ubom udai ubakya 0.9 kilo balashna da ki bakor dynamite gelatin shipau trik detonator ni ki tikli ki nar lingkot lingkai sanpau tali. Barok kini ki tiar la korup no haringkat kila jingada. Ula ong ru halor kini ki jingjia la register ya ka case baka jingto okin kalaya syakman. USP ula ong bakila lap ksa ya we suba bat ka jingtwet kalaya syakman ban kem ya u.
7:30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials, and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible. Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight. It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it. Sandbag. छोड़ दो इस vehicles, get it removed.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry Priya, sorry Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.